lost all ambition for worldly acclaim. I just wanna be the one you love, 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 love. And with your
Hey! There's still people on the roof! Get back here!
You think they saw us?
Could have yelled if you wanted.
Don't worry, they're heading to the mall. We can catch them there.
Let's go then.
We ain't got time for this, people. Grab a weapon and let's get to this mall.
Reloading.
Oh, sweet hope.
Nice.
New Orleans is all that's left.
What in the hell is making that noise?
It's that bastard that jumps at you. Get it off me!
I ain't never killed nothing before.
Reloading. 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 Heads up. Nuke in the hole. Little freak. Naughty little bitch I'm gonna kill. Reloading. Everybody get in the elevator.
Push the... I don't know, I think we should stick together. You cool with that? I'm Rochelle. What's your names?
Ellis. Pleasure to meet you, Rochelle.
People call me Coach. What's your name?
Nick, you did good out there, Rochelle.
Thanks. You too.
All right, enough chat.
Nuke in the hole. Jason, look out. Reloading. Throwing a pipe bomb. Reloading. Little guy. Reloading.
Zombies ripping him up.
We're safe. Let's get in. Ooh, I know a gun store we can stop at along the way. Get ourselves some real weapons.
A gun store sounds like a fine place to stop.
Hey, I'm reloading. Reloading.
no idea, but I don't think it's friendly.
So that's a tank, huh? Jesus, that thing is huge.
Reload!
Reloading! Heads up! Reloading!
Bridge to the mall's blocked, man. We gotta find another way.
Molotov.
Monsters on the news.
So that's a smoker, huh? Bet he's popular with the lady zombies. Reloading!
That
Reloading! Weapons over here.
Reloading. I don't like the sound of the crying.
Over this dumpster.
All right, thanks.
spitters.
That'll keep it tight.
One more here with the others. Probably wouldn't hurt her.
Oh, shit! Watch out!
Reloading.
Maybe if we don't move, they won't see us.
Hey, wait a second.
Reloading!
Reloading!
Lighten it up! Shoot the whip! Shoot the whip! Shoot the whip!
Reloading!
Reloading! There's no time for one. Let's go.
What's with the suits?
Guns here.
Boy, I'm waiting to show goofy ass.
Guns here.
Make sure you use this now.
Yeah, that'll. Oh, thanks for that.
Fight amongst yourselves. Reloading.
I'll be
Reloading.
Fireproof zombies.
That gun store's around here somewhere.
Reload. Reloading.
Jockeys. Oh, Nick.
Everybody grab a weapon.
It surprised me you're good with a gun.
Get out of here!
I'm a reload.
Grab some guns. We got shit to shoot. Healing.
Hell, I don't need it.
Hey, thanks.
All right, now I'm back. Ammo.
Laser sights here.
Hello there. Now normally when 4 blood-stained looters break into my store, I would shoot them where they stand. But you haven't thrown me out. Get your hands off my store, you son of a bitch! Call me at an opportune time. Take what weapons you need and come upstairs. I reckon we can come to an accordance.
Okay, mysterious voice.
I'm guessing you four would be headed to the mall for rescue, and I further guess you won't get there, as the road is blocked. I know, because I watched Caesar block it. So here's what I propose. I barricaded myself on the route with ample provisions, but in my haste, I forgot to pack cola. So here's my proposition. If you go find me some coals at yonder food store, I'll clear the path to the mall for you.
So let me get this straight. We get you your shit, and you'll help us get to the mall, right? Okay. You screw us, and I will kill you with your own gun.
Procure my colas, and my help is guaranteed, sir. Consider the guns a generous donation to the cause.
Get ready, this is gonna set off the alarm. Go, go, go! Ninja sword here. We got it, let's go! Watch out! Throwing a pipe, got the cola. Let's get out of here.
Hey, I'm reloading.
Heads up! Reloading. Oh, thank God, the mall.
Reloading. Chase this, you zombie bastards!
What the hell? These things fireproof?
You got a safe house!
Reload! That sounds like a spitter.
Well, we made it. Let's hope there's still somebody here. Let's go find the evacuation center. I'm already sick of this place.
Cedar's got to be around here somewhere. Let's find this evac and get out of here.
Why didn't it surprise me?
Reloading.
Reloading!
Weapons over here.
this way.
Nice!
Stop shooting!
Turn off that alarm! Kill this goddamn thing! Is there some way to turn off this alarm? Hunter on Ellen.
This up just for you.
Thank you. Got it. Here. Don't worry about me. I'll be okay.
Stop shooting me!
Reloading. We can get down here. Reloading! Smoker shot! Hey, I'm reloading. Hey, I'm reloading.
Up that escalator.
Look out!
Reloading. We got a boomer. We got goo coming. There's a safe room up ahead. Reloading. Don't make me come out there for you. Reloading. CETA. Leaving twice in one day. Lesson learned.
Check it, y'all. Jimmy Gibbs Jr. Oh, shit. We missed him? Oh, you know what? That's the last straw. These zombies have just made themselves an enemy.
Okay, so the
Hey, I'm
evac
reloading.
station's abandoned, and we're at the center of a zombie-filled building. On the bright side, we're all probably gonna die. CETA's not gonna save us. Any ideas?
I got an idea. You know them posters we've been seeing? Get your picture taken with Jimmy Gibbs' stock car? That means it's here. We just need to appropriate it, and we got ourselves an escape vehicle.
Okay, so plan A is we go find this car. Plan B is we wait here in this mall and die.
Now remember, they don't fill up these tanks at car shows, so we gonna have to find some gas.
Forgive us, Jimmy, but we need your car.
Let's get this car gassed up. Got it. I got a can. They're coming! I got it! Weapons over here. You shoot the tank!
You don't even think about leaving me here.
Let's go, on your feet, let's go!
Hey, get your ass up now! Come on!
Hey, thanks.
I got it! Look out! Got it! How big is the tank in this thing? I got it. Shoot him! Shoot him! Come on! Come on! We still need... I'm covered in vomit. Again. Reloading! That's what I'm talking about. Healing. Reloading! Reload! I got it! Watch out! Re-up! Re-up! I got a can. Look out! Got another can in the tank. Just 3 more. Got it. Hey, watch out! Shit. Get in there. Reload. Just 2 more. I got it. Reload.